The 2025 Nissan Kicks may have seen a price increase compared to the previous model, but it still offers good value for the money. The redesign brings a fresh look and an upgraded interior, and optional all-wheel drive for the first time. The new version is well priced. The 2025 Nissan Kicks costs $23,220, with the mandatory $1,390 destination fee included. That's only $490 more than the 2024 Nissan Kicks. The 2025 Nissan Kicks has indeed grown in size, now measuring 4,366 mm in length, 1,800 mm in width, and 1,630 mm in height. It's 58 mm longer, 40 mm wider, and 22 mm taller than its predecessor, with an extended wheelbase of 2,657 mm, which is 38 mm longer. The 2025 Nissan Kicks features a significant shift in design from its predecessor. The iconic V-Motion grille is replaced by a large, broad, horizontally slated front grille, though it retains some elements of the earlier design. The headlights are now narrower and angled downwards at the inner edges, giving the front end a more aggressive and modern look. The exterior also showcases prominent wheel arches with matte black cladding, enhancing its rugged appearance. The 19-inch alloy wheels add to its stylish and dynamic presence. At the rear, the Kicks sports striking LED taillights with black trim across the tailgate, completing the bold new look. The 2025 Nissan Kicks offers enhanced interior space compared to its predecessor, with a total cargo capacity of 30.0 cubic feet when the rear seats are up, expanding to 60.0 cubic feet with the seats folded down. There is also additional storage available under the cargo area floor, adding to its practicality. Inside, the Kicks features floating digital screens for both the gauge cluster and infotainment system. The standard screens are 7.0 inch, but they can be updated to 12.3 inch displays for a more advanced setup. Other interior highlights include a flat bottom steering wheel, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an available Bose sound system, which should enhance both driving comfort and entertainment. The 2025 Nissan Kicks 2.0 L 4-cylinder engine producing 141 bhp and 190 Nm of torque paired with the Xtronic transmission delivers a solid performance. The addition of an all-wheel drive system is a nice touch, enhancing its SUV credentials and offering better traction and control. It offers its power in 3 drive modes: Eco, Normal and Sport. The 2025 Nissan Kicks is available in 3 trims: S, SV and SR. Each trim level now offers the option of all-wheel drive, which is a new feature for this model. Previously, the Kicks was also available with front-wheel drive, similar to the affordable subcompact SUVs like the Kia Soul, Hyundai Venue and Chevrolet Trax.